Untitled. This guy, Laszlo Hanyecz, made history without even realizing it. Back in 2010, he posted on a forum, "I'll give 10,000 BTC for 2 pizzas." At the time, those 10,000 bitcoins were worth just $25. A fellow forum user took him up on the offer, ordered 2 Papa John's pizzas, and had them delivered to Laszlo, sent over the BTC using a fresh command line wallet. And just like that, the world witnessed its first I-2 pizzas. I-10,000 BTC. I value today? Around $1 billion, with Bitcoin currently trading near $100,000. Now, every May 22nd is celebrated as Bitcoin Pizza Day, a reminder of how far crypto has come. And can Laszlo ever forgive himself? Hard to say. But one thing's for sure. Most people will never understand what it's like to have eaten the most expensive number Binance pizza.